Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a morning cleaning routine. I really like to start my day with getting everything kind of picked up and cleaned just because I don't like clutter, and my day always seems to go a lot smoother if I have a nice clean house.
When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you, 'cause when we are together.
My husband goes to work a little later in the morning, so this time makes it perfect for me to get some cleaning done while he is watching the kids. I typically like to start in the kitchen because I feel like we hang out in the kitchen and the dining room the most, so it tends to get the most cluttered. So I like to start in here because I always see this room first.
Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young. Won't you sing for me?
I always try to run a load of dishes every night before I go to bed so I can wake up in the morning and they're completely done and ready to be put away.
Put your hands on my back, boy.
As you can see, I really don't have a system for all the sippy cups and lids. I just kind of toss them up in the cabinet, but I do want to plan a time to go through it and get everything nice and organized.
Give me all the comfort that I crave.
And if you're curious, yes, that is a tent in my backyard. My son and husband like to go camping in the summer, and we'll camp out in the backyard from time to time.
I will follow you anywhere you go.
I'm currently all out of my stainless steel cleaner, so right now I'm just using the Miss Myers multi-surface cleaner just to kind of get all the sticky fingerprints off of everything. I also like to Swiffer the floors almost every day just because 2 toddlers can make such a mess, and I have 2 dogs. Having a 5-year-old boy in the house, the bathroom can get very messy, so I do clean around the toilets and the toilet every day. I use the Method antibacterial spray. This does need to set for 10 minutes, but just for purposes of the video, I am speeding it up, but I did go back through and spray it again and let it sit.
You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need.
I'm not using it today, but I do also use the Clorox all-purpose cleaner with bleach from time to time, especially in the bathroom, just to really remove the germs and get things nice and clean.
You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
I'm using the Clorox toilet wands just to get under the rim of the toilet because sometimes it's hard to get up there and just remove any stains.
Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him.
I'm now using the Miss Myers multi-purpose cleaner again in the scent Peony. It's one of my favorite cleaners. It smells so nice, and it's definitely one of my go-tos. Kensington just started potty training, so I like to wipe down her toilet, but I did just move her to the big girl toilet.
Can you feel it too? Feel it too? You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away.
Kensington's room rarely gets messy. There's usually just some books on the floor or a few toys, so I do like to just straighten those up. I have a little corner that she likes to sit and read books with me, and then I do like to move this big rug and just make sure that I get everything nice and vacuumed.
You are colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
I don't remove everything from Kensington's dresser on a daily basis and wipe it down, but today I just decided to get everything kind of wiped down and cleaned off. Kensington has transitioned into big girl underwear, so I don't change her up here anymore, so I don't feel like I need to wipe it down every single day.
Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn.
I'm now moving on to Preston's room. I like to start by making his bed. He is a very good helper and likes to help me tuck in the corners and put the pillows on his bed, but we all know that doesn't last very long. Kids like to messy up a room as soon as it's clean and like to jump on the bed. I then am going to move over and just spray and wipe down Preston's dresser and vacuum the floors.
Hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet?
That is it for my morning cleaning routine power hour. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you know the next time I post a video. We'll see you next time. Bye.